Technology is supposed to make our lives easier, but things can get hairy pretty quickly. We've got computers, tablets, and fancy phones. We have work files, personal files, music, and pictures, all stored on all these different devices. Trouble is, they're on all of these different devices. And if a document is on every device, but then you change it on one, well, now all the others are behind the times. It's a big pain in the neck. Until now, SugarSync, a cloud service that securely stores your files and helps you access, update, sync, and share them from any device. And anytime you add or change a file, it automatically updates in the cloud and on all your devices. Yep, you can share important business or casual personal files from any device, from wherever you are. Just download SugarSync on your many devices and select the folders you want to sync. And don't worry about compatibility. It can sync any folder on any computer. You see, technology can make your life easier. SugarSync. Your files go wherever you go.